Without showing any mercy, I just want to say that any person who buys iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12 Pro Max from India is either the richest person or the stupidest person in the whole world. Let me show you how I reached this conclusion. iPhone 12 Pro Max costs $1,100, which translates to 82,500 rupees. But in India, same cost at 1,17,500 rupees, which is equivalent to $1,566. Let me be more clearer. You are paying $450 or 35,000 rupees just in form of tax. I can tell you all the things that you can buy from those extra 35,000 rupees like AirPods Pro, Galaxy Buds Live, Bose Quiet Comfort 3, Marshall speakers, Apple Watch, OnePlus TV and lot more stuff. But let me give you a real example in comparison to another phone. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. It is a more expensive flagship phone and costs almost $1,400 for 256GB or 1,05,000 rupees in India. Beside being 12,005 rupees cheaper, it has a 120Hz display as compared to 60Hz display, 128GB extra storage, stylus, QHD resolution as compared to Full HD resolution, 91.7% screen to body ratio as compared to 87.4%, expandable storage, and the list continues even further. You can see the full list in the link given below. A phone that is more expensive than iPhone 12 Pro Max in USA is cheaper in India. I mean, you're literally paying more for a cheap smartphone in India. Now, I'm not the smartest person, but if I had to choose between Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G and iPhone 12 Pro Max, I think only a stupid dumb person will choose the worst phone, that is iPhone 12 Pro Max at a higher price. I know Apple fans will be like, bro, it's iPhone, it's quality. Let me tell you, iPhone is cheaper than Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But in India, it is opposite due to tax. You will get better quality and better features at less price by buying a Note 20 Ultra 5G. At least in India. I do not hate Apple, I actually love the company. I myself use iPhone XS Max to record my videos and use it daily, but buying an iPhone 12 Pro Max from India is no way a smart decision. I'm ready for all the hate comments from the Apple fans, but this is just the truth and the facts. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching till the end. Hit that share button so that more people can watch this video.